Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make these really cute 3D 7-petal flowers. So let's get started. To make this easy flower, I'm going to work with this yarn. It's Mainstays, and I think that's a Walmart brand. And a 6mm crochet hook. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. And there's the ring. Chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Single crochet in the ring. And that forms a loop. I'm going to form 7 of these loops in the ring. So chain 6, 2, 4, and 6. Single crochet in the ring. Like that, go ahead and make 7 loops in this ring. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've made 7 loops in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And there's my last stitch, and there's my first loop. Slip stitch into the first loop. And I'm going to make my first petal in this loop. So I'm going to single crochet, half double crochet, 10 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I have 10 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 single crochet. Now we're going to come right over here to the first single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch in that first single crochet. Chain 1. And that's the first petal. Now we're going to go directly into the next loop and slip stitch. Single crochet, half double crochet, 10 double crochet. Okay, 10 double crochet, half double crochet, single crochet. Now I'm going to come right over to the other side. I'm going to find that first single crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch into the first single crochet, and it helps to turn the work. And then chain 1. And then slip stitch in the next loop. Like that, you have 2 petals, and I'm going to go ahead and in each one of these loops, I'm going to make a petal. Okay, I've worked all the way around. There's my last petal. There's my first petal. Slip stitch to join in the first single crochet of that petal. And then you can fasten off. And you can just rearrange those petals. And there's a finished flower. And I have a button. And I can sew that right down in the center of the flower. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make these 3D 7-petal flowers. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. If you like this video, please click like, as it helps in the YouTube algorithm.